Filterbuy filters are super solid. Definitely a filter you can trust. They're made in the USA and they have all the levels of filtration you need. This one is a 16 by 20 by 2. You can see it is definitely very thick. And right here you can see that it is a MERV 13. Depending on how much filtration you want, you'll want to go up. I prefer MERV 13 as I want as much filtration as possible. We actually use this one in our dehumidifier, and I use different filters in our HVAC system as I feel like each system needs its own unique filter. And what I love about this one is it really takes care of the dust and anything else in the air from going back into the air. It catches all of it beautifully. We have two long-haired cats, and I cannot tell you how much these get covered in cat hair every time I change them out. I change these out every 6 months because it's on our dehumidifier. On our HVAC system, I change them out every 3 months. So depending on where you're using it, you may want to change it more or less. And you can really see the quality with this one. The honeycomb here, while it is wider, actually has metal throughout it. So not only is the honeycomb paper, filtration paper, very thick, but it is fully secured and strengthened by the wires throughout it. You can see that on both sides. And you always want to look for this airflow image as you want to make sure you're using it the way it was designed to be used. I'm sure it would work fine both ways, but all air filters have this image on them, and I always follow how the manufacturer recommends using them. So this is a solid filter from a great US filter company, and I definitely recommend it.